not again. Devil, you are a liar. Just when I'm about to get into church now, the devil caught my slippers. Should I go back home? No, I've gone far. Yeah? If I go back home now, before I will go back to church now, church would have closed. Hey God, what kind of temptation is this one? This early Sunday morning. Who wants the shoe? Let me just ask around. Maybe I can just wear the shoe and Ude! What did they answer? God. I think I would just borrow the shoe, wear it, then bring it back. You match me now to match. It makes sense. Okay, I will just wear it. If I come back from church, I'll pass here, clean it and keep it. God, you understand though? It's not. Just help me, I'm not too far home.
You will handicap.
Oh Lord, take control.
Wait. Ma, fight here. Wait.
Wait. Happy Sunday, everybody. What happened to him? What did he do?
Oga, this guy na thief. The guy thief my shoe.
You mean this Sunday morning you are stealing instead of going to church?
Okay, look. Wait. This will not be shoe when I wash for some. How you tell no say na the shoe? Na so now they use na mat to put person for wahala. Oh yeah, look the left leg. He put for front. Look the right leg. He put for under. So now you take my shoe, Abi?
Oga, I was on my way to church this Sunday morning. My pastor.
Sunday morning.
You will handicap.
Agua,